Woohoo!
Pompano!
Pompano!
And a pompano!
Woohoo!
Yes!
Yes!
And that was on the squid!
Yes!
Dude!
That's a nice one!
That's awesome! I didn't know that the squid would catch... I didn't know the squid would catch pompano. So, I'm feeding my fish right now, so I don't have to do it when I get home. You want to be careful not to slice into the bile. And we just rip the guts out. Just like that. That's it. Stevie, you want to eat the freshest sashimi ever? Hey! You want it? Sushi! Sushi, eat the heart.
That's a no.
That's a strong no.
Strong no.
Okay. You want to get this bloodline right here, especially. And then you wash that out. We came at low tide. We were here about an hour after low tide, and